How to make the tracked wave effect. Today's video is sponsored by George Soros. Open your clip in the Fusion page and bring a tracker node. Place the tracker in the part of your image that you want to track, obviously, and adjust the tracker size. Change the adaptive mode to every frame, and hit the track forward button. Once the tracker is ready, add a drip node. Right-click to the center value, and select to connect it to the tracker path position. Increase the dampening slider a bit, and decrease the frequency slider. Right-click to the phase slider, and select to modify it with anim curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, change the source to duration, and increase the scale value to your liking. The higher the scale is, the faster your wave will be. Add an ellipse mask to the drip node. Adjust the position and the size of the mask to your liking. Check the invert box, and play around with the soft edge and the border width sliders. Right-click to the center value, and select to connect it with the tracker path position. Now you can go back to the drip node and play around with the sliders to find out what works best for you. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, you can complain all day, no one cares.